Hello friends, this is the flower of Azadirachta indica, that is neem. See the beautiful flowers of neem. Sepals are usually green, but they are not very distinct in these flowers, and petals are white. Actually, these flowers have a special fragrance. That's why they attract insects during the night also. And insect pollination is one of the major pollination method in these plants. And at the center of this flower, green portion is the male, whereas the somewhat darker and brown portion is the female portion. Now move to the leaves. Leaves in this plant, see the structure of this leaf. Leaves have a reticulate venation. They are complete, but margin is not entire. Margin is just like tooth appearance, toothed or serrated. This type of margin is known as serrated margin. तो इसको बोलते हैं serrated है, आरी जैसा है. Thank you and have a nice day.